the twisted chain, which is a version of the flat snake chain, and we start with the stopper bead. And here we have our stopper bead. We add 7 seed beads, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and close the circle going through the stopper bead. We pick up 2 contrast beads and we skip 1, 2, 3, and we go through the 4th bead from the chain of 7, and we make sure that the beads just fall in the middle. Now we have step 3, where we add 6 seed beads, 2, 4, 5, 6, and we close the circle going through the bead under the one where the thread comes out. We pick up 2 seed beads, the contrast ones, and we skip 1, 2, and we go through the 3rd. And these are the 2 steps that we are going to repeat to have the chain to the desired length. So let's start again. We pick up 6 seed beads, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the circle going through the bead under the one where the thread comes out. Pick up 2 contrast beads, and from the circle we skip 1, 2, and go through the 3rd one, and we control the thread and the beads so the beads fall right in the middle. And let's try again. 6 seed beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go through the seed bead under the one where the thread comes out. Pick up 2 contrast beads and skip 1, 2, and the 3rd from the circle of 6. We just make sure that the contrast beads fall in the middle. I think this is really a beautiful flat chain and very fast as well.